Hi, I'm Corky with Eden, my granddaughter, and I own mobileisbusiness.com. Would your business like to make more sales, more money? Would you like a way to modernize your advertising and take advantage of current and future trends? If this is you, the answer could be right under your nose. Unless you lived under a rock for the last few years, you know most of your customers use smartphones. They seem to have them glued to their hand at times or a Bluetooth hooked to their ear. So doesn't it make sense to have your ads cater to them a little bit better, especially if it can be done for free? So the first problem is, how do we do that? Well, you've probably heard of QR codes, but you may not realize just how valuable they can be for your business. They are the up-and-coming road signs for the mobile highway. QR codes, when placed in your ad, will take a smartphone user directly from the printed page ad right to your website, being pulled right up on their screen instantly with just a quick scan of their phone. You choose the page they are sent to, so you can have it appear as your coupon or special offer, a larger ad, a menu, or even your video on it. Along with the smartphone, local search has also exploded and shows all signs of growing like gangbusters for the near future. And these are your neighbors looking for your products and services. As we speak, they are being used to order a pizza, to call for car help, making reservations at a restaurant or hotel, getting directions or a map to find your business, calling a plumber as soon as possible in the middle of the night, or an ambulance. Any service you can imagine. It all sounds good, right? Well, there's still a problem. Always is, right? Problem 2 is that standard websites just look like crap on a smartphone. We can look at yours in just a minute, and even Google tells us exactly what they consider mobile-friendly or unfriendly, as they put it. The short story is businesses need a mobile-optimized website to do business with smartphone users. Think about this. Just how much would a mobile system like this be worth to you? It can literally help struggling businesses get on their feet, and it can help established businesses enter a new age with their eye on the future. Well, today is your lucky day, because we can build such a system for you. Just think of how many new potential customers you will now have the attention of, and the money this would add to your bottom line. Just how much would something like this be worth to you? Glad you asked. As an example, let's use a pizza shop. If a local pizza parlor got just one new customer a week that ordered one pizza every 2 weeks, that would mean those extra $15 pizza purchases would mean $360 a year in new income from just that one new customer. And remember, we said one new customer a week, which is totally realistic. That would mean a total of 52 new customers times $360, which is the annual income, and that equals $18,720. That's $18,720 more income each year for one new customer a week. Just think if our pizza parlor gained more than one new customer a week. Just think if they made purchases every week instead of every 2 weeks. Now, if you aren't a pizza parlor, it's easy to work this out for your situation with your numbers, and it's well worth your consideration. What are your numbers? Have you ever sat down to look at them? What could this mobile system be worth to your business? We're naturally hoping that you'll see the value, and your answer is a whole lot, and that your head is spinning with the possibilities. Well, take a deep breath. There's still another problem. You probably don't really want to spend another $1,000 on another website, do you? Your first website was expensive enough, wasn't it? And I'm going to take a wild shot here, and this is probably problem number 4, for most businesses anyway. Despite the huge cost, is your website really doing all it can for you now? All right, it's time for answers now. My clock is ticking. What kind of salesman would I be if I brought a whole new stream of income to you and didn't have the answers to all those problems? If you're interested in making more money, talk to me, and I can tell you about a perfect solution to make more income using today's technology. You see, I can do this way cheaper than you did it the first time. Plus, we want to introduce ourselves to you and hope that after you see the quality of our work, you'll think of us the next time you're considering online services to help your business. If someone is searching online for your products or services, wouldn't your shop like to be considered at that purchase time? We do just that. And this offer, well, it's our version of a loss leader. Let's talk about it. You tell me what it's worth to you, and I'll try to work it into that budget. You might just be surprised.